welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Moses, and my channel title is, or my channel name is MosGFX. So I've been working on these setups and wondering how does the market moves and what drives the market, but the reality is that I've come to realize it's a very simple mechanism that has been overlooked over time, and I'm here to tell you that currently we are offering classes on how to trade demand and supply using my new method, and I have approved this method for quite a while now. It's almost an year, and it is working best. So we are doing something we call SOP, and that one depends on it is rooted on what we call top-down analysis, which comes from how to identify demands and supply, because when it comes from demand, you understand the name demand, Mary, but in our class, or in the class I'm teaching, you'll be able to understand demand in a different manner, where we are able to drive strategies which have more than 10 steps, almost 10 steps, that you have to verify for you to be in a position to trade using demand and supply. So the SOP is what we use for us to be able to identify the best demand areas for us to trade from, and then we incorporate it using the top-down analysis, and this is the very best setup that you can ever use, which is very verifiable, and it will give you confidence. Risk to reward ratio is the best, and also gives you your entry point and your target before you even get into a trade. We don't use the risk to reward ratio as a measure of our target, but we use the concept itself to find our targets, and then we are able now to know how much are we going to gain when the price is going to that point where we have identified as a target. So I want to show you how we were able to take this move on gold coin, and no, Bitcoin, sorry, from this sell up to this point, and then we are expecting now this BTC is going back to a certain level. We are going to know where. So stay tuned, watch my videos. I have also uploaded several videos on different concepts you can watch, and if you want to get into mentorship, you can join through my phone number, WhatsApp, which is +254 which is +254 727 031 585. So mentorship December classes have already, booking is ongoing. You have to learn for 2 months mentorship, which is just $200 for each and every mentorship, and plus WhatsApp signal group for student only, which is lifetime. So if you wanna have that, you can use that number to reach through me, and then I will give you the requirements. So I want to show you how you could have traded this Bitcoin from this point here using my top-down analysis, and then be able to use demand and supply and get in. So I won't disclose everything, but I will tell you how to do it. So first of all, you go to the weekly time frame and check what's the weekly dictating, and then if you are able to identify a supply zone, as I've done so, and mostly people use supply zone as they mark them wrongly. So in my class, you'll be able to know how to mark supply and demand correctly. So this was the area that price created a supply, and after creating a supply, it retested it. We go to the daily time frame and check the point where price retested it. So there's something we call mitigation or testing. When we talk about testing, it's like price coming back to test the same area where it created a directional move, like it showed signals to go to the new direction. So there's something I say, if price does not test a supply on the other time frame, it should create one. So price was unable to test this zone here, but instead it came and created a new supply below it. So but you can see that it tapped into our zone on the weekly, then daily created a new supply, and this was the one that we could have used to push the price lower. So this is what we call SOP, and when you join my mentorship, you'll learn what is SOP. And then after price created an SOP on the daily time frame, it was able to test it, and then I will use this color to denote to give a different point of view. Then after that, we go to the 4 hours and we check what did the 4 hours say after price created an SOP inside the daily time frame. So after price did that on the daily time frame, it came and tested a 4-hour zone which was inside the daily time frame after tapping on our daily time frame zone. And then here is where we are able to get the connection. So here it was the entry point, but this is not enough because we need to go to the 30 minutes to get the best entry, and also the 5 minute for us to get a refined entry where our risk to reward ratio would be boosted. So forget about SMC, and this was the best way for us to do. Like when price tapped on the daily time frame, made a supply under the 4 hours, and also made a supply inside the 30 minutes after tapping on the 4 hours, and then there was the best. Like price was able to test that zone again, and by testing it, this was our entry. This was our entry under the 30 minutes. So our entry was supposed to be here, there under the 30 minutes, and our stop loss should be take a short position after the retest. Stop loss should be above the 30 minutes zone, all to be secure above the 4-hour zone, like there. And then target should be the next opposing daily time frame zone, because we used this SOP from the daily time frame. So we are going to check which is the next daily time frame zone or zone. Most is a demand on the daily time frame, like which has not been tested, and you could have checked very well because our entry was here. This demand was already tested as price was going back to our zone, so meaning this demand was not the one we could have used. So the demand that we could have used to take our profit was this was the only point we could have taken. Our first profit was supposed to be at this zone. So this is what we did last week, like 1 week ago, and this was the best trade we were ever able to take. And also after price tapped into this zone, the only zone that we could have taken our full profit was this next zone here, because here is where we have a demand of the weekly which was not tested. So this demand, and under the demand on the weekly here is what we had the daily time frame, the untested zone under the weekly time frame. So if you are able to identify trading zones like the daily time frame for weekly and 4 hours and 30 minutes, you are able to follow that top-down analysis, you'll be in a position to make the best options or the best trades ever without even thinking about smart money. Because I will tell you, and I've been repeating this again and again, like the smart money itself is a trap for most of the traders.